I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, clouds of white, bright, blessed days, dark, sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colours of a rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, "How do you do?" They're really saying, "I love you." I hear babies cry. I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to our English class. Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья, и добро пожаловать на урок английского языка. Nobody can argue. We live in a wonderful and amazing world. There are a lot of exciting things around you, and today we are going to speak about nature. Nature is the world around you. In Russian, nature is природа, то, что окружает вас. Let's remember the words. Listen and repeat. The moon, луна. The moon. The sky, небо. The sky. The sun, солнце. The sun. The earth, земля. The earth. Ocean, океан. Ocean. Sea, море. Sea. River, река. River. Lake, озеро. Lake. Waterfall, водопад. Waterfall. Cloud, облако, туча. Cloud. Rainbow, радуга. Rainbow. Beach, пляж. Beach. Sand, песок. Sand. Desert, пустыня. Desert. Rock, скала. Rock. Mountain, гора. Mountain. Volcano, вулкан. Volcano. Plant, растение. Plant. Flower, цветок. Flower. Grass, трава. Grass. Tree, дерево. Tree. Bush, куст. Bush. Field, поле. Field. Hill, холм. Hill. Forest, лес. Forest. Island, остров. Island. Animal, животное. Animal. Now you know new words about nature. Can you choose the right word I'm talking about? Let's start. If you want to swim and sunbathe, you go there. Right, you go to the beach. It has 7 colors. You can see it after rain. Yes, it is rainbow. You can see it at night in the sky. It is the moon. In summer, they are green, and they are colorful in autumn. Yes, these are trees. It is hard to find water in it. Okay, it is desert. Nature is full of colors. Let's play a game. I will name the color and you will match it with the pictures. Let's start. Yellow. Yes, the moon, sand, and the desert can be yellow. Blue. Okay, the sky, a river, a waterfall can be blue. Green. You can see green trees, green grass, and green bushes. Gray. A rock and a mountain can be gray. White. A cloud can be white. Colorful. You can see colorful flowers and a rainbow. Nature is full of wonders and mysteries, and fortunately for us, bizarre facts. I hope you like the facts. The largest ocean on the earth is the Pacific Ocean. Самый большой океан на Земле – это Тихий океан. The largest ocean on the earth is the Pacific Ocean. Plants on the surface of the earth have existed for around 400 million years. Растения на поверхности Земли существуют около 400 миллионов лет. Plants on the surface of the earth have existed for around 400 million years. Between 20 and 30 volcanoes erupt each year, mostly under the sea. От 20 до 30 вулканов извергаются каждый год, в основном в море. Between 20 and 30 volcanoes erupt each year, mostly under the sea. More types of fish swim in Brazil's Amazon River than in the entire Atlantic Ocean. В реке Амазонки в Бразилии плавает больше видов рыб, чем во всем Атлантическом океане. More types of fish swim in Brazil's Amazon River than in the entire Atlantic Ocean. Lake Baikal in the south-central part of Siberia is 1.7 kilometers deep. It is about 20 million years old. Глубина озера Байкал в южно-центральной части Сибири составляет 1 километр 700 метров. Его возраст около 20 миллионов лет. Lake Baikal in the south-central part of Siberia is 1.7 kilometers deep. Some of the oldest mountains in the world are in the highlands of Scotland. They are about 400 million years. Самые старые горы в мире находятся на северо-шотландском Нагорье. Их возраст 400 миллионов лет. Some of the oldest mountains in the world are in the highlands of Scotland. Forest fires move faster uphill than downhill. Лесные пожары двигаются быстрее вверх по холму, чем вниз. Forest fires move faster uphill than downhill. It takes 8.5 minutes for light to get from the sun to Earth. От Солнца до Земли свет проходит за 8,5 минут. It takes 8.5 minutes for light to get from the sun to Earth. New Zealand consists of 2 islands that are about the same size as Great Britain. Новая Зеландия состоит из 2 островов, которые по размеру почти как Великобритания. New Zealand consists of 2 islands that are about the same size as Great Britain. Listen and repeat a short poem about nature. Butterflies and bees, oceans and seas, green, green grass, and big, strong trees, the huge round sun, in the sky so blue. Listen to what they say to you. They do not talk, they do not shout, but their beauty is what Mother Nature is all about. That's all for today. Thanks for being with us. The lesson is over. Goodbye.